Hello and welcome to another update video on Doge. What we are tracking here actually on the chart, on the Doge chart, is a three-wave move up into this swing high there from the 13th of September, and also a three-wave move down so far into support. Everything's holding. Yeah, support is being respected. Support is still holding, and there's currently no break of support. Yeah, everything's still good. Everything's all right. We have actually a pretty much complete looking A, B, C structure, and the C wave gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that actually looks nice and complete, this C wave to the downside. Not only based on microstructures, but also we can take the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave, and you see a standard target area is normally all the way down to the 161.8 extension. Yeah, we have to distinguish between targets based on the microstructures and Fibonacci support. And what you can see is that the C wave reached the 161.8 extension pretty much, and that's also where we now see a small reaction. This reaction is, of course, way too small to really be considered a substantial trend reversal. I mean, we can consider it, but it's not given us any evidence really that we're turning around there. So we have to remain flexible here, and another low cannot be ruled out at this point. What I think is important, I think it's important to recognize that technically speaking, we could easily get another low into support. I mean, the next support levels are at 20.9 cents and then 19.9 cents. And if we get another low, then it would likely be just an extension, and this third is here, the fourth is here. We get one more low. So it's the 20.9 cent level that matters next as support, and below that level 19.9 cents. And the pullback could unfold as an ABC structure just with one more low. Now, when will that become less likely? Well, in my interpretation, this becomes less likely if we get a decisive break above the 25.1, 25.2 cent level, our signal line, especially if the move up occurs as a 5-wave sequence like this. So that's what we're watching for, yeah? And if we really zoom into the nanostructures, you actually can see that the bounce from the low is a very, very clear 3-wave move so far. And even if this turns into 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, honestly, it would still be very, very small. So I really need this as wave 1, then wave 2, then wave 3, 4, 5. So again, I need 5 waves up like this before we even can consider, rather get a first confirmation that a low is in. Because if you start to confirm it too early, then it's just still too fragile. It's still too vulnerable. It can easily still break. That it would just be kind of it's just not, it just wouldn't be bullish. But obviously we have a reaction to an area from where the bulls could show up. But I have to say this move up currently doesn't in any way give me any more confidence than this. So this was also 3 waves up. Gotta say though that up here, I mean, these are typically the movements where people already start to FOMO in, right? Like when they see this, oh no, has it bottomed? But Elliott wave helped us understand that we needed one more low, ideally, right? You might remember from a few days ago, we were watching for one more low. Sometimes that one more low doesn't happen, but it happened this time. And so yeah, we're now in this support area, and we're just waiting to see if the bulls show up here. But obviously now it's weekend again, and oftentimes during weekends, we'll rather see only sideways consolidation. So I'll keep you updated, but I'm not too confident that we've bottomed already, or at least that we break out over the weekend. But anyway, we'll pay close attention to the chart every single day. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, live streams, join the community, discuss on Discord with us the charts, ask questions, everything, then check out our gold membership. Also on Sunday, we are running our weekly MCO live stream again. So that's a great space to discuss. You can ask questions. I'll take a look at the charts, and that's going to happen on Sunday. Also, feel free to join us on X for additional charts, news, updates. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye bye.